On a dark desert highway, cold wind in my hair, a warm smell of imphal rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, and so a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my side grew dim. I had to stop for the night. Just stood in the doorway, I heard a missing bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Oh, dance a lit up the candle, she showed me the way. And there were voices down the corridor, I thought I heard them say, everyone, welcome to the Hotel of California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. You're living it up at the Hotel of California. Any time of year, you can find it here. I'm always stiff and twisted. She got a Mercedes-Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys. They call friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I call out the captain, please bring me my wine. He said, we are all just prisoners here, over on the back. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night, or just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel of California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel of California. Oh, what a nice surprise. Bring your early birds, mirrors of the ceilings, the pings and bang of ice. You say, we're all just prisoners here, over on the vice. And in a master timbers, they gathered for the feast. They stab it with a silly knife, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find my passage back to the place I was before. A relaxated night, man, we are programmed to receive. Or you can take out any time you like, but you can never leave. Woo! Thank you. Time, any time to win back a love again, I will be there. I will be there. Love, only love can bring back a love someday. I will be there. I will be there. Come on, dance tonight. there. Sing it out! If we'd go again, all the way from the start, and I were trying to change things that built our love. Your pride has built a wall so strong that I can't get through. Is there really no chance? Start once again. I'm loving you. Did you guys enjoy the song? Thank you. Try, baby, try. Try, baby, try. Try. Baby, try. Trusting my love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, oh love, can break down the walls someday. I will be there. I will be there. Sing it out loud! Woo! If we'd go again, all the way from the start, and I would try to change things that built our love. Pride has built a wall so strong that I can't get through. You should give me the chance to start once again. If we'd go again, all the way from the start, I would try to change things that killed our love. Yes, I've heard your cry, and I know what you've been